Thank you, one and all.
A smile is the universal welcome. Thank you, sir, for your cheerful welcome address. On behalf of all of us present here, we extend a warm welcome to you, sir.
Presidential address has a special meaning, for it comes from a person of prominence and success who may share with us the wisdom, wit, and experiences of the life on a greater journey. I request our correspondent, Reverend Father A.J. Sumarian, the sculptor of human character and the navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to deliver the presidential address.
Respected guest of honor, Mrs. Malarvedi, respected Principal Dr. Joseph Segar, dear Fine Arts Club Faculty Advisor, Mr. Oscar Davies, faculty, heads of the departments, staff, and my dear students, good afternoon to you all. In the forenoon, we have been witnessing several cultural items. As a culmination of all the cultural items, we have gathered here to appreciate one another and also get the prizes for our performances. When we say or when we speak development or growth, we mean total development or integral development, and also holistic, that means full. When we say development, it may be tangible or untangible. We are here to advance in knowledge and also acquire as much as possible the knowledge so that we prepare ourselves for future. When we say about a college or engineering college, first we mean academic excellence or performances. But that alone is not development or growth. As I said in the beginning, total or whole integral development. For this, we have curricular activities, co-curricular activities, and also extracurricular activities. We have been very busy during this academic year, but now for 1 week, setting aside all our books and also labs and other classrooms, we are here to develop other talents that have been given by God Himself. When you say again man, we mean body, mind, and soul. Those who want to develop the man or help man, we have to help the body, the mind, and soul. So we are here to help our body, mind, and soul. In Latin, there is a proverb, mens sana in corpore sano. That means a sound mind in a sound body. If our bodies are strong, healthy, and sound, naturally our minds also will be healthy. Not leaving one but when you say man, we take together. That's why yesterday we had the sports day. So we really enjoyed, and also from Saturday onwards, we have been conducting various competitions, and we helped each other to explore or find out the innate talents that God has given to us. So today we are here to have this meeting and also give them prizes. At this moment, I would like to congratulate and thank all the people, all the staff, students who are really responsible for all these activities. To begin with our sports day, I am really very happy and thankful to all of you for having such successful and peaceful conduct of our sports day. So I congratulate our physical director, Mr. Thomas Matthias, and his team that really helped all of us. And also these days we have witnessed the talent search competitions for which Dr. Rexin Dasnevis is in charge. So 2-3 days we had these competitions, and it's not so easy to conduct all these events. In spite of all that, he really successfully conducted the talent search competitions along with his team. So I congratulate him and thank all the team members. Then again, for the college, we have 24 committees formed. All the 24 committees are really engaged in hectic activities, planning, assigning the duties, coordinating, supervising, and also regulating all this. So really at this moment, I thank all the 24 committees for their strenuous effort to make it a successful one. Then also, for the past few days, our choir members have been engaged in recording. Tomorrow, we are going to release a set of 10 hymns under the name Saviour's Rhythm. Really, they had to stay very late in the evening and catch the route bus, travel alone. But amidst all that, they were really very cooperative under the leadership of Mrs. Inigo and Vanaja and Mr. Oscar Davies. So I really congratulate all of them. Then again we have Tamil and Malayalam associations. During the year, they have been also conducting some competitions and other programs that all really added our extra curricular activities. So I really congratulate and thank all of them, not only those who are responsible or directly involved in it, and all those who cooperated with this. Above all, till I thank our principal, Dr. Joseph Sayer, who have been coordinating all these activities. And as we heard in the welcome address, he is guiding every committee in a proper way so that all could really exercise their duties and make it everything successful. In this context, really, my dear friends, just last week there was an article about physical exercise, namely morning walk. It is said every day 5,000 feet distance or 5,000 steps we have to take or walk. If you do that, it really, first of all, reduces our bad cholesterol or fat, which is the root cause for blood pressure, heart attack, like chronic diseases. At the same time, this walking helps us to have sound sleep. Above all, it eases our tensions. We are pressurized, we are unrest, but if we take a walk daily, it eases all these mental stress and also tension. Finally, it says it prolongs our life and increases our immunity, that means withstanding, so that we are not affected by some diseases. So on this occasion, I really wish and also request at least have a habit of maybe a few minutes yoga or meditation or breathing exercise or walking or some household manual work. We may not realize the benefit of this now, but when we advance in age and also when we succumb to